I am eating my breakfast. I am eating my breakfast. He is playing football. He is playing football. He went to school. He went to school. We drank cold water. We drank cold water. They were working harder. They were working harder. Buy things from market. Buy things from market. He drives the tractor. He drives the tractor. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? I shall return tomorrow. I shall return tomorrow. You must wear a seatbelt. You must wear a seatbelt. It may rain today. It may rain today. Carry your umbrella with you. Carry your umbrella with you. I would travel more if I had time. I would travel more if I had time. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? He was absent because he was sick. He was absent because he was sick. Wash your hands before you eat. Wash your hands before you eat. She mops the floor with bucket. She mops the floor with bucket. Her phone rang while she was driving. Her phone rang while she was driving. He feeds the birds. He feeds the birds. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants. They are true friends. They are true friends. I wake up early. I wake up early. She brushes her hair. She brushes her hair. He cleans his room. He cleans his room. We go to school daily. We go to school daily. They eat dinner together. They eat dinner together. I drink a glass of milk. I drink a glass of milk. She cooks food in kitchen. She cooks food in kitchen. He reads a storybook. He reads a storybook. We play in the park. We play in the park. They watch television at night. They watch television at night. I take a short nap. I take a short nap. She washes her clothes. She washes her clothes.